पहले तो हम सबसे कहना चाहेंगे सलाम। महीना आपको भी गिनना आता है तो 14 अप्रैल को थिएटर पहुंच जाइएगा जरूर।
याद रखिएगा 14 मार्च से 14
अप्रैल। सॉरी मैं भटक गई। बेगम जान मुझ में घुस गई थी।
मैं आपसे पूछ रही थी कि सरप्राइज बना के रखा था आपने, यू वर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर दिस डे।
या एवरीवनस बीन आस्किंग मी कि ट्रेलर कब लॉन्च हो रहा है, ट्रेलर कब लॉन्च हो रहा है। मैंने कहा थोड़ा बेसब्री बढ़ाऊं और फिर दिखाऊं। हाँ, क्योंकि इसमें इतना धमाका है। हाँ, कि 1 महीने से ज़्यादा लोग वेट नहीं कर पाते थे, तो इसीलिए हमने सोचा कि मार्च 14 को आराम से रिलीज करते हैं, सबको दिखाते हैं, फिर 30 दिन आप लोग वेट करते रहना, अप्रैल 14 को रिलीज।
हाय क्या बात है। अच्छा, आई एम श्योर ऑल द गर्ल्स विल एग्री, आपने इस फिल्म में जरूर बताया है कि आप रानी हैं, इस महल की रानी हैं आप, लेकिन विद योर होल क्रिकेट टीम विद यू, कैसा हुआ था कि असली में भी आप सबकी हेड ऑफ द फैमिली बन गई थी, रानी बन गई थी?
हमारी दोस्त भी थी और हमारी रानी भी थी, और एक्चुअली शी इज द क्वीन ऑफ हार्ट्स, सो या वी लव हर।
बट शुरुआत में ऐसा नहीं था, वाज नोबडी इंटिमिडेटेड बाय हर कि विद्या बालन के साथ काम करेंगे, डर लग रहा है?
I have to tell you, sorry, I won't let you answer. When I entered the room for the first time, और सब जिस तरह से चिल्लाए, मैं इंटिमिडेट हो गई थी। मैंने कहा कि oh my God, you know, and I saw them in action. So many talented actors in one room.
Yeah.
It was just incredible. It was unbelievable. So मैं इंटिमिडेट हो गई थी।
Oh my God! सृजित जी, आपसे भी जानना चाहूंगी, 11 लड़कियां एक साथ जिंदा कैसे हैं आप अभी तक, ये बताइए। आहा, सच, और ये बात सच है।
They were actually absolute sweethearts, all of them, and actually there were equations, interesting कुछ equations form होते गए जैसा फिल्म बनता गया, अनबन हो या फिर कुछ भी हो, but all those equations, like in real life also, when the cause was making a film against a schizophrenic weather, shooting in inhuman conditions
जी।
for 32 days at a
सांप
stretch,
बिच्छू भी होते थे मेरे साथ।
सांप बिच्छू and all that,
All that.
मतलब
ये तो छोटी बात है।
all the possible hardships which can come. So उन हालात में, like the way these guys, these girls and everyone, they rallied together, given the differences in real, which is what makes the film so special.
Yeah.
Because you see all of that in the film also. In the film, you will see characters which have differences with some other characters. They quarrel about caste, they quarrel about one girl poaches customers away from another girl, and they kind of have a fight and everything. But when there is a crisis, they all come together. So they came together in real life as well as real life, and which I guess makes the house a metaphor for India. We have our differences across states, across communities, but bahar ka koi agar aake kuch kahe, we usually take a very united stand. So that is what happens in this house also. So in that sense, she's Mother India. No, but seriously, the girls, the film is possible. And और एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि this is one film. Yes, we have Vidya's solo poster, and we have names coming in a particular order. We have posters, which are ensemble posters. But I would like to say that order of names and the size of one's face in the poster, all these things become very meaningless when you watch Begum Jaan. That ensemble spirit is so much there in every frame, and to their credit, no one even bothered to ask, अच्छा poster में am I visible on the poster? मेरा चेहरा आया क्या? ये हुआ? Trailer में is my shot there? No one asked, because everyone knew it was an ensemble family fighting all odds, and that fight will come through in the trailer, in the poster, and everything, which is something which I'm very proud of, and I think that is the mark of a true ensemble.
We have seen you playing powerful roles, really, and this is just going to add to your kitty. How do you feel about it now? And you don't look like a person who will look like that on screen, but then you surprise us each and every time. So please tell me.
Thank you so much, yeah. But yes, I've played roles, but this is a dream. This is a dream which was possible because there are geniuses in the world called Srijit Mukherjee sir, जिन्हें मैं सृजित सर बुलाती हूँ, जिन्होंने विश्वास रखा कि मैं जब वो लिख रहे थे रुबीना, he had me in mind. That's amazing. But it came true because thank God that conversation happened between Srijit sir and Vidya, that अच्छा गौहर को, and then I got a message from Vidya and I was just like, मैंने सबसे बड़ा अगर जिंदगी में कभी of course लिखा होगा एक मैसेज पे, शायद वो ही होगा. It was of course. I was like, I'm going to do any auditions, any number of things for this role, and I have nothing to do in it. I'm just grateful that it came to me, and I hope and pray, inshallah, that I've done justice to playing Rubina and to being
विद्या, आपकी हर भूमिका अलग होती है, हटके होती है, और हर फिल्म आप एक हीरोइन ओरिएंटेड फिल्म ऐसे हर फिल्म में दिखता है. तो इस फिल्म में भी काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग रोल कर रही है आप, और फिल्म में गालियाँ भी है जो आपको देनी पड़ रही है. ऑफ कोर्स आपकी भूमिका वैसी है. सो ये कितना आसान था आपके लिए, या कैसे कहेंगे?
बहुत आसान था, मैं तो रोज गालियां बकती हूँ. नहीं, मैं गालियां नहीं बकती, पर
माँ के अंदर बकती है शायद यहाँ पर पहले मर्तबा बाहर बकी.
हाँ, भड़ास निकाल ली मैंने इस फिल्म में, जो हर बार मेरे दिमाग में कभी गाली चलती है और मैं बक नहीं पाती. इस फिल्म में श्रीजीत ने मुझे छूट दे दी. कभी कभी किसी दूसरे का लाइन चल रहा होता, मुझे कोई लाइन, मेरा अगर कोई लाइन नहीं होता शॉट में, तो मैं बीच में गाली बक देती. नहीं, पर जोक्स अपार्ट, आई थिंक ये जहाँ से आती हैं, जिस तरह का माहौल है, वो गालियाँ बहुत आसानी से बकती हैं. सारी की सारी लड़कियाँ, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. तो when I was playing the role, I didn't think कि अच्छा मैं गाली कैसे बकूं, because you can't be बेगम जान and be, मैं शायराना उर्दू नहीं बोल सकती. तो I enjoy playing different characters. जैसे हर बार जब हम खाना खाते हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए कुछ अलग हो, लंच के लिए अलग हो, शाम का अलग हो, रात का अलग हो, तो बहुत मज़ा आता है. फिर गालियाँ सिर्फ तड़के की तरह होता है. या
तो अब आप कंफर्टेबल हैं, मतलब आप आदत हो गई है
मैं
आपको?
कंफर्टेबल हूँ, पर मैं कैमरा के सामने बोल नहीं सकती, आप लोग दिखा नहीं पाएंगे. एक्चुअली इसमें मेरा कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है. आई थिंक श्रीजीत हैड अ सर्टेन विजन ऑफ बेगम जान इन माइंड, और वो पंजाब की हैं, तो इस वजह से रिक जिन्होंने कॉस्ट्यूम्स किए, ही सॉर्स्ड फैब्रिक्स, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे फुलकारी हुई या कोई वहाँ का काम, उस तरह से उन्होंने सॉर्स किया. एंड देन माय मेकअप एंड हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट, Shreyas and Shalaka, who've been with me forever, they love to give me a unibrow, make me put a little dirt on me in scenes that require. They're thrilled by all that. But no, genuinely, I feel very fortunate to have worked with a team where I didn't have to worry about the look of Begum Jaan at all. Also credit to Gopi Bhagat, the cinematographer. The way he shot Begum Jaan, she is larger than life. That's how Srijit saw her, and that's what Gopida has done. So it's all of them put together, very little of me. Thank you.
I know how difficult taskmaster you are, basically. I have seen you from your first movie. And tell me, how was the association with Vidya? Because she is a perfectionist, and you too. How you collaborated. And Vidya, I'll ask that after he finishes.
So Vidya was being very modest right now, giving all the credit to everyone else. But I would like to say that 1 month before the shoot started, we started sitting because we were having 2 parallel workshops. I was having one workshop with the girls and one with Vidya, because I didn't want them to, because Vidya is that kind of a jovial, down-to-earth person, वो बहुत घुल मिल जाती है, which I didn't want for the character because I needed certain authority, a certain kind of distance with the girls from Begum Jaan. So when I was doing the workshop with Vidya, she used to ask me questions like when Begum Jaan was 3, what are her memories? What would Begum Jaan do when she was 7? When was the first time she was exploited? When was the first time she was abused? What happened on her सुहाग रात? वो कैसे भाग गई, कहाँ से भाग गई, क्या हुआ उसके साथ? So this questionnaire, which we used to discuss every day for 30 days, and at the end of the thing, I had already written 4 scripts. मतलब one Begum Jan, 2 prequels and 1 sequel also. So we used to discuss those prequels. If Bhatt Sahab and Mukesh ji and Milind is willing, can make Begum Jan prequels also if you want, because the scripts are ready. Because with these discussions, I have all the backstories. And it didn't stop there. She went into the backstories of the girls and how they are related to Begum Jan. So after those 30 days, first time when I saw Vidya coming into the set, I saw Begum Jan coming into the set. There was no trace of Vidya Balan, who stays in Juhu, who has a fantastic drawing room, is very sophisticated, very down to earth, loves having dosa for lunch and all that. Here was a woman who was abusing, who was manipulative, fierce, has a mind of her own, and no nonsense kind of a woman who walked in. And that is how she stayed for 32 days. So I think the preparation, people talk about a lot of method and this and that, but I guess this is what acting is, this is what commitment towards your craft is. So I think she's just
once
stupendous.
Srijit and me prevailed upon her to do the film, and she said yes. Then she said, now leave him to me. मतलब अब मैं संभाल लूंगी, अब 10 far and no further, now our world takes over. And मैंने बड़े अदब से इनको left them to their fate.